and your stomach is terrible. You can't eat and everything, but you don't want to be the only punk who doesn't jump out of this airplane. So you fly and you go up, you go up, you go up, you go up to 14,000 feet. And you wait and it goes yellow and the light goes green and somebody opens the door. And in that moment, you realize you've never been in a freaking airplane with the door open. You're looking out down to death. And they say, on 3. And they say, 1, 2. And he pushes you on 2 because people grab on 3. Fall out of the airplane. And in 1 second, you realize that it's the most blissful experience of your life. With zero fear. You realize that the point of maximum danger is the point of minimum fear. It's bliss. It's bliss. You're flying, right? Best things in life on the other side of terror. On the other side of your maximum fear are all of the best things in life.